Hello, this is the 17th watch from my collection, and it is an 18 karat gold open faced watch. Starting with the dial. The dial has a Roman numerals, the standard seconds dial at the bottom there, and another dial at the top. This dial is called an up and down dial, or it's a power reserve dial if you like. And it is to show you how much power is left in the watch before the watch needs rewinding. A very handy idea. Blue steeled hands, all three. The dial itself is in a lovely condition, no marks at all compared to the last watch. The glass as well is in a nice condition. I had to replace the glass when I bought it because the original glass was cracked right across and held together with sellotape. The outer case is a smooth gold case and has no serious damage to it at all. Opening the back cover up reveals the cuvette, and on the cuvette there there's the post there where you put the key to wind, and another one there to set the hands for time, and there's an engine turned piece here to protect any scratches being shown up, serious marks where people have jammed keys in. This one isn't too bad. Opening the cuvette reveals a nice frosted gilt movement by, I'll have an attempt at the name, Spiridon of Cardiff. Cardiff in Wales, that is. The guy's actual full name, I shall try and attempt that as well, is Władysław Spiridon. He was a Polish gentleman who arrived in London and then later moved on to Cardiff. The watch also has the number there of 18809, which, while I'm here, also matches there on the case. So case and movement have always been together. They are an original item. This is where the key goes to wind, and underneath there is the standard fusee. The little silver piece there is where the barrel will be underneath, and your chain will run off of that and onto the fusee. People who have watched my other videos will know what I'm going on about, as it seems I'm always talking about fusees and barrels. There's not many jewels on this watch. The jewels that there are there's a ruby end stone there, a very small one. There's a jewel there, and they are just in the escapement. The rest of it is just standard oil sink holes. I shall leave some stills so it's easier for you to see. Blue steel screws again, which are in reasonable condition. They're not too badly chewed up. This watch has the usual regulation there, a blue steeled balance spring or hair spring. The balance on this is a cut and compensated balance. You can see there, be better in a still photograph actually, that the balance has been cut there and there, either side, and the balance is made of brass and steel, which has been fused together and has gold timing screws set in all the way around, and they have all been adjusted so the balance will run perfectly flat, and it's all to do with the timing of the watch. Trying to get a better time. You do get a better time than the usual standard flat steel old style balance wheels. If I put a little bit of power into the watch, because watches I believe always do look a little bit better, well, a lot better when they're running. Get that on there. There we go. we have it. There's the balance. The balance wheel is working quite well. You can see the end of the lever there, rocking backwards and forwards between its pins. The escape wheel, the teeth. It's an English lever, by the way, this watch. I didn't say that, I don't think I did anyway. Yes, it's a fusee driven English lever. There we are. Whilst I'm here, we can have a look at the usual hallmarks. I shall zoom in. I'll try and zoom in a little bit. Ah, that's better. You can see the crown there above the 18 for 18 karat gold, the leopard's head for London, and the date letter K, and that is for, if I can remember, 1885. I believe I'm correct. And that's about it, really. All in all, it's a pretty standard watch, pretty standard English lever of the late 1800s. The only extra piece which is on there is the up and down dial, which you can see now has moved. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. I shall leave you some still photographs and a bit of information. I don't have very much information on the guy who made the watch, but I shall try and find up some more and leave you with what I have. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Bye.